In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Trello with Notion. There are a few different ways to connect Trello and Notion, and the best one depends on what you want to do. If your goal is to move an entire Trello board into Notion, Notion has a built-in Trello import tool. Notion's Help Center says Trello boards import as a Notion database, with cards becoming items inside that database. To do that, open Notion, type /Trello, press enter, sign into your Trello account, grant access, and then choose the board you want to import. Notion says this import brings over boards, lists, and cards, which makes it a good option if you want to migrate your workflow into Notion. If you do not want a full import and just want to reference Trello work inside Notion, another option is to use Notion's Trello link preview integration. Notion says you can paste a Trello card link directly into a Notion page to preview and sync that card in Notion. This is useful when you want to keep using Trello for task management but still show progress or context inside your Notion workspace. A third option is automation. Notion's integrations page highlights tools like Zapier and Make for automating workflows, and both platforms currently offer Trello and Notion integrations. For example, you can create an automation where a new Trello card creates a new Notion page, or where a new Notion database item creates a new Trello card. This is the best choice if you want the two apps to keep working together over time instead of doing a one-time import. So the easiest setup is this. Use import if you want to move Trello into Notion. Use link previews if you want to display Trello cards in Notion, and use automation tools if you want both apps to stay connected going forward. Before you choose, think about whether you want a one-time migration or an ongoing sync, because that will decide which method makes the most sense for your workflow. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.